what's up, beards, men, and greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beards and Stuff. And as you can see, I still haven't got a haircut yet. You know, look at that. My mullet game is too strong. Oh my goodness. So today, what I'm going to show you is how to. Yeah, that's the title, but not a tutorial. But if you wish to follow, yeah, it's alright too. Feel free to do so. So basically, this video is that I'm going to show you is how I apply or use minoxidil in on a day-to-day basis, on the daily. All right, and so full disclosure, two things. One, Vikings has been sending me this minoxidil, their minoxidil solution or formulation, something like that, for the past 6 months. But this is not a sponsored video. Okay, I repeat, this is not a sponsored video. This is their way to show that their product works and can guarantee results. Yeah, and as for the past 6 months, right, you've probably seen some of my beard minoxidil beard journey updates somewhere. Yeah. In the group there, minoxidil beard journey Philippines, if you follow that page. And number two, I'm not wearing any pants. Yeah, like in my recent videos, yeah, like some of it. But anyway, forget I said that. Before I move on, or continue on, I just want to say thank you to our friends from Threaders.PH or Threaders.PH, correct me if I'm wrong, for sending me these. Oh crap! I still got the, what do you call this, hanger with the, yeah, stuff. So okay, our friends from Threaders.PH sent us this cool, stylish, protective masks. So they gave us four colors, no, 4 masks, yeah, with 4 colors. Oh crap! So what I chose is this moss green color type thing, and of course, who doesn't want black? It's a default. But yeah, aside from that, my wife chose this salmon pink or anything or whatever, pink, baby pink, etc., and this khaki, yeah, khaki color, of course. What else is there to say? So yeah, check out their Facebook and Instagram page if you want to avail. Just kidding. If you want to get or check out their face mask offerings, they what do you call this? They offer a bunch of awesome colors to choose from, like 15 colors, I guess. I'm guessing. So why don't you just a favor, type in the search box somewhere there, Threaders.PH on either Instagram and Facebook, to check out their cool offerings. Although their face mask doesn't come with a filter yet, probably soon. As you can see on the inside, there's an opening in the center where you can stick a filter right there, or a tissue paper like that. Yeah, yes, yeah, see, and you can wear it. Simple as that. Okay, so before I continue along again, correction, this is, the color is old rose. Okay, someone doesn't want to let up, so correction, it's not salmon pink or whatever pink it is, it's old rose. Okay, remember. Okay, now that that's done, let's proceed to the application. Just a disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I say, like I'll say it again, this is not a tutorial. Or yeah, if you wish to follow, there's nothing wrong about it. Yeah, some people prefer a dropper, or I don't know. Is there any other methods? So because it's a spray bottle, I use it as it is. Okay, so without further ado, watch this.
You gon' tear their ass up, simple as that.
So there, what do you think about that? So I think that's just it, because I've already done a review about it. Just a warning: don't lick your lips after applying minoxidil, because it's not gonna be pleasant. It's gonna linger on your mouth for quite some time. And okay, in addition to what I didn't mention in my review, it tends to get a little bit warm after applying the minoxidil or the product. I think it's something to do with the formulation, kinda that the blood circulation flowing or something like that. If it has something to do with it, so yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not an expert. I'm not a scientist. I'm not a chemist. I'm not etc. But I'm something at least. So anyway, if you think that I missed something, but I don't think I did, because this is just how-to, in my opinion. So if you either you use a dropper or this type right here, a spray top bottle or whatever that is, or you just fun like what I did. Massage. What? Last one. So that was it. Okay, that's just it. That's plain and simple. No nonsense. Yeah, straight to the point. Like point and shoot. Okay. So I don't have anything else to say. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, and if you love this video and this channel, of course don't leave without subscribing. Okay, make sure you do subscribe. It's gonna be a great help. So that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next episode. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi, and you're watching Business Stuff.